My name is Jack Newton. I'm the head chef here at Half Cut Market. The next dish is a savoury bread and butter pudding with a comté and shaven black truffle on top. For this dish, I'm using croissants instead of bread. The croissants are then ripped up, put in a large gastro, and is layered with butter and cheese throughout. And then to top it off, we use the egg and cream mixture and make sure to let that sink in so it gets nice and soft. So after it comes out of the oven, I like to press it for the evening. So I'll put some weights on it and put it in the fridge. The next morning when I come in, I'll take it out of the gastro and I like to cut it in about an inch thickness. So I get about, from a gastro, I get probably about 50 slices. So I cut this into around 5-inch pieces. After that, it's then fried in a butter and basted in smoked maple butter. After it's been basted in the pan, we'll put it on the plate and I will put on my whipped comté. It's basically just a kind of standard roux that I make for it, and then we're adding in the comté. So I'm melting butter, adding mustard and flour, and then I'm cooking that down a little bit until I get a little bit of colour on it, and then I am adding milk to get a nice consistency, and then the comté is whipped through it. This is then continually whipped until it gets a bit larger and then put in a piping bag. So after it's basted in the pan, I will start to plate it up. We get our greaseproof paper down and put it down on the plate. I will pipe on my whipped comté. And then to finish off, I will grate on a load of black truffle. The name of the dish is savoury bread and butter pudding with a whipped comté and black truffle.